video. Just want to share it with you. I'm going to one of my jobs, driving van, Chestermere Express. Today we are here with the Skyward Restoration team working on a full move-out job. As you can see, there are lots of stuff that needs to be removed. Lots of work here, and that's we are here for. We completed a deep move-out cleaning throughout the entire property, including kitchen, bathrooms, and all surfaces. We also did a carpet cleaning to bring the carpets back to life. Took care of some minor property restoration to get everything looking great again. And the goal is to leave the property clean, fresh, and ready for the next occupation. So that's what we do at Skyward Restoration and Cleaning, bringing properties back to clean, fresh, and move-in ready conditions. Second load of garbage from that house. Ты даешь. If you guys need any help, let us know. We can help with any type of job. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and follow us on social media. And until next time, bye.